Welcome to AI World TV, your go-to destination for everything artificial intelligence. Discover the captivating landscape of AI, where advanced technology finds real-life application. Subscribe to AI World TV for webzine articles, reports, podcasts, videos, live events, and latest trends. Hear from top industry leaders and discover how AI is transforming industries and our daily lives.
It's hard to blink these days without seeing another headline about, some groundbreaking development in AI. Trying to make sense of it all can feel like drinking from a fire hose, right?
Absolutely. It's overwhelming.
So in this deep dive, we're going to zero in on a really significant piece of news that just broke, a major new partnership that signals some big moves in the AI world.
Exactly. We're talking about the newly announced collaboration between Dubai and NVIDIA to launch a state-of-the-art artificial intelligence center right there in Dubai.
Our goal today is to really understand the nuts and bolts of this Dubai and NVIDIA alliance. What makes it such a potentially game-changing development, and what kind of impact could it have, particularly across the Middle East and North Africa?
Yeah, the MENA region specifically.
We'll be using the AI World Journal article from just yesterday, May 17th, as our main guide here. Dubai and NVIDIA unite to launch landmark AI innovation hub.
That's the one.
So to kick things off, what's the core of this announcement beyond just the headline?
Fundamentally, this is a strategic alignment. You've got the government of Dubai and NVIDIA, who are, let's face it, a real powerhouse in AI tech joining forces.
Okay.
They're establishing this dedicated artificial intelligence center in Dubai. And the ambition here is, well, it's substantial.
How so?
Dubai wants to become a leading global hub for AI innovation. That's the stated goal.
That's a bold vision. What makes this particular partnership stand out to you? It feels like there's maybe more to it than just two organizations deciding to work together?
I think so.
What's the unique angle here?
What's truly interesting, I think, is the complementary nature of what each side brings.
Right.
Dubai offers that forward-thinking vision, a really strategic geographic location, and a clear commitment to tech advancement.
And NVIDIA.
Well, NVIDIA provides the cutting-edge AI hardware, the software, the deep expertise. It's not just about, say, a financial transaction. It's about actively constructing the essential groundwork, the infrastructure needed for future AI breakthroughs. This proactive approach, this deliberate building, that's quite significant.
That makes a lot of sense. It's about laying the foundation. So the article highlights some specific sectors that this AI center will be targeting. Which areas are in the spotlight?
Yeah, the focus is on accelerating AI progress in several vital areas, things that underpin a modern economy.
Like?
Think about finance, revolutionizing healthcare, optimizing transportation systems.
Big areas.
Huge. Improving energy efficiency, enhancing public services. Plus, the center is positioned strategically to be a key connection point.
Connecting what?
Connecting NVIDIA's advanced AI capabilities directly to the Middle East and North Africa region.
So bringing the tech closer.
Exactly. Providing closer access to really powerful computing resources for innovators, for researchers in that whole area.
You definitely need the right tools for the job, absolutely. Speaking of tools, the article mentions some pretty advanced tech going into this center. Can you give us a peek under the hood?
Certainly. The center will be equipped with NVIDIA's, their most advanced AI systems.
Like what specifically?
This includes what are called next-generation GPU clusters.
Okay.
And accelerated computing environments. Think of GPU clusters as like a network of incredibly powerful processors all working together. They do the heavy lifting for complex AI.
Got it.
And accelerated computing environments are setups designed to just dramatically speed up those calculations.
It's faster processing.
Right. But what's particularly noteworthy, I think, is the inclusion of a digital twin lab.
A digital twin lab.
Powered by NVIDIA Omniverse.
That sounds futuristic. What exactly does that enable?
Well, imagine having a virtual copy of a real-world system.
Okay.
This digital twin lab will allow for creating these virtual replicas for things like entire city infrastructures, smart traffic management systems, even designing buildings for much better energy efficiency.
So you can test things virtually first.
Exactly. It's a powerful way to test and refine ideas in a virtual world before they're ever built or implemented for real.
Yeah.
Like a sophisticated sandbox, you could say.
Wow. So you can essentially simulate the future before building it. Yeah. That's a really interesting application. Okay, so beyond the impressive hardware, the article also stresses fostering innovation and talent. How will the center tackle that?
Yeah, this is absolutely critical. The center's strategy seems built on a strong commitment to
You are listening to the
education.
AI World Podcast, your trusted source for the latest innovations, insights, and trends in artificial intelligence, blockchain, fintech, and decentralized technologies. Each episode features expert interviews, engaging discussions, and in-depth analysis of how AI transforms industries worldwide. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest articles and exclusive reports from the AI World Journal, covering everything from emerging technologies to industry breakthroughs. For more news, global events, and access to AI World Society circle gatherings, visit us at aiworld.tv. Don't forget to subscribe to stay informed, stay connected, and be part of the AI revolution with AI World Lounge. Thank you for listening.
Pushing research forward and supporting new businesses, entrepreneurship. The article specifically outlines several key initiatives there.
Okay, tell us more. What kind of programs are we actually looking at?
So we'll see AI boot camps and fellowships. These are designed to give both students and professionals practical, hands-on experience.
In what areas?
In crucial AI fields like machine learning, that's how computers learn from data robotics, and computer vision, which lets computers see and interpret images.
Okay, practical skills.
Right. Then there will be startup incubation programs.
For new companies.
Exactly. These will provide regional AI startups with access to NVIDIA's powerful cloud computing, crucially, guidance and support from mentors.
Mentorship is key.
Absolutely. And important connections to potential investors. Finally, the center will foster joint research initiatives.
Research on what?
Focusing on cutting-edge areas like generative AI, that's AI creating new content, images, text.
Like ChatGPT and DALL-E type stuff?
Kind of, yeah. Also AI ethics, which is hugely important, using AI for sustainability, and even developing AI models that really understand and process the Arabic language.
That's interesting. The language focus.
Very region-specific.
So it's a really comprehensive strategy then. Education, startup support, research, covering all the bases.
Seems like it.
The article also touches on the broader sort of regional and global implications of this partnership. What are the key takeaways there?
Yeah, looking at the bigger picture, this collaboration significantly elevates Dubai's position as a global tech hub.
Because of its location.
Partly, yeah. Its geographic spot acting as a kind of bridge between Europe, Asia, and Africa makes it really strategic for AI deployments that could scale internationally.
Right.
The expectation is that this center will become a magnet, for international conferences, industry summits, collaborative projects.
Fostering that global exchange.
Exactly, bringing people and ideas together.
It really sounds like Dubai is strategically positioning itself as a major player on the international AI stage.
Precisely. And this initiative directly supports the UAE's overarching national artificial intelligence strategy.
They have a national strategy.
Oh, yes. With the ambitious goal of establishing the country as a leading global AI hub by 2031.
2031, okay.
And the timeline for this center is actually quite quick, expected to be up and running in late 2025.
That's soon.
It is. And there's already a lot of anticipation building. You hear it from academia, government bodies, private companies. They all want to engage with this new ecosystem.
So it's not just about Dubai and NVIDIA in isolation. This could potentially reshape the AI landscape across the whole MENA region, maybe even beyond. What's the wider significance here in your view?
I think this collaboration really highlights an interesting evolution, maybe a shift, in the global AI landscape.
How so?
It demonstrates that significant AI innovation isn't just confined to the, let's say, traditional tech centers we might immediately think of, like Silicon Valley.
Right.
It's expanding to regions that have a clear vision, that are making substantial investments, and have a real sense of urgency about leading this tech revolution.
Should an investment in urgency.
Exactly. And NVIDIA's role in this is crucial. They're becoming key partners, key enablers in this sort of redefinition of where AI breakthroughs actually happen.
Okay, let's try and synthesize all of this. If you had to boil it down, what are the main things we should take away from this deep dive into the Dubai NVIDIA partnership?
Well, essentially, the partnership between Dubai and NVIDIA to create this major AI innovation center. It's a really significant development. It has the clear potential to establish Dubai as a prominent global player in AI. But it's not just about the tech itself. It seems driven by a strategic long-term vision. It's backed by serious investment in infrastructure, talent, research,
And the regional focus.
and that clear focus on serving the Middle East and North Africa region. That's key.
Right. Dubai is clearly aiming high, becoming a world leader in AI innovation by strategically aligning its goals with NVIDIA's technological muscle.
That sums it up well.
So, considering this significant investment and this very deliberate focus, it really makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
What other, perhaps unexpected partnerships or regions might emerge as key players in the future of artificial intelligence? It kind of prompts you to consider the broader implications of global collaboration and maybe competition in shaping the entire AI landscape going forward.
The future of artificial intelligence is unfolding, and it's happening at AI World Week, the flagship global event for innovation, collaboration, and transformation. This flagship global AI event is designed to connect visionary leaders, trailblazing entrepreneurs, and influential thinkers to explore the endless possibilities of AI. Experience groundbreaking technology that redefines industries and inspires progress. Join thought-provoking discussions on ethical AI, digital equity, and the transformative role of technology in our world. Build meaningful connections that catalyze innovation and drive impact. AI World Week is powered by AI World Society, a global movement dedicated to advancing AI responsibly and ensuring it serves humanity. Together, we're shaping a smarter, more inclusive, and equitable future. Continue your journey beyond the event with the AI World Journal, offering expert insights, in-depth analysis, and the latest trends shaping the AI landscape. This is your opportunity to lead, to innovate, and to transform the world with AI. AI World Week. We invite you to join us and embrace the AI revolution.